Every family has a story, and sometimes those stories hide secrets that change everything. This is the story of Aarav, a young man who grew up believing he knew everything about his family, until one letter changed it all. It was a rainy evening. Aarav was cleaning the old cupboard in his grandmother's house. He found a small wooden box, covered in dust. Inside there was an old letter tied with a red ribbon. Aarav reading softly. To my dear son. If you are reading this, I want you to know the truth about our family. Aarav froze. The letter was written by his grandfather, a man who passed away before Aarav was even born. His hands trembled as he continued reading. Grandfather's voice gentle from the letter. There was a time when our family had nothing. Your grandmother and I made many sacrifices to give your father the life he has now. But the biggest secret we kept was about your mother. Aarav's heart started beating faster. He knew his mother had died when he was very young, but his father never spoke about her. Grandfather's voice, from the letter. She was not from our country. She came here as a traveler, and your father fell in love with her. When the family refused to accept her, they ran away and built a life of their own. She was brave, kind, and full of love just like you. Tears filled Aarav's eyes. He finally understood why his father always became silent when anyone mentioned the past. His mother wasn't a mystery anymore. She was love, courage, and truth. Aarav carefully folded the letter and held it close to his heart. Aarav whispering, "Thank you, Grandpa. Now I understand who I am." That night, Aarav didn't sleep. He sat near the window, watching the rain fall softly. The secret didn't hurt him, it healed him. Because sometimes, knowing the truth doesn't break you. It sets you free. Moral of the story. Every family carries secrets, not to hide shame, but sometimes to protect love. And when the truth finally finds you, it brings peace to the heart.
Thank you for watching till the end. Every story teaches us something, and I hope today's story touched your heart too. If it did, please give it a like, share it with someone who might need to hear it, and don't forget to subscribe for more heartfelt stories. See you soon in the next episode.